Thank you for reaching out to find out more about the multi-fashion world of Cadarra. Now, before you delve into the website, which you might find a little confusing with so many things that Cadarra can do, I'm here to demystify and simplify the styling ways of Cadarra. Don't be overwhelmed by the 20 or more ways in which you can wear Cadarra, and there are that many. I don't want you to think about it as 20 ways. I want you to sort of look at the various styles and find 5 or 6 that you will be comfortable in, that will suit your lifestyle, that will suit your body shape. 5 styles, and then you know if those basic styles are comfy and you're used to wearing them, your confidence will build up and it'll be fabulous. Then when you're invited to a special occasion, before you go out and spend a lot of money on getting a new outfit, do yourself a favour, pop your Cadarra on, have a look at all the different videos and the different styles to wear it, and try and upstyle your Cadarra into something suitable for that special occasion. Save yourself the dollars. Give Cadarra a try before you go out and spend money unnecessarily on an outfit that you might only wear once. Remember, there is no right and there's no wrong when it comes to styling Cadarra, and it's not what Cadarra is. Sorry, it's not what Cadarra is, it's what Cadarra does. Now, there are lots of different options when it comes to Cadarra, and you'll find your perfect fit and enjoy every minute of it. Now, we work from Cadarra on 5 basic mission statement points, and I'm going to share those with you now. First and foremost, we wish, and we do, supply the fashion tools for every woman to feel comfortable and fashionable in their own body. So that's our first point. Our second point is that we minimise fashion stress, we maximise fashion styling, we help you to downsize your wardrobe and hopefully simplify your life. So they're the 5 points in our mission statement. Now, with the number 5 still uppermost in our mind, I'm going to show you my favourite basic styles of how to wear Cadarra. And each of those styles can be added to come up with different versions of the same dress. Just confidence and practice will get you there. There are 5 colourways in Cadarra, so there'll be colours to suit all of you, and all of the colours have been selected to go back with each other, so the colours all kind of blend together and it's perfect. So remember that there's 2 words: practice makes perfect and coordinate with confidence. Now, to help you further beyond the 5 that I'm going to show you, go through the videos after you've seen this one and pay particular attention to the one of Fiona wearing the orange Cadarra. That is our tutorial how to wear video, and it shows just about every style. But don't be overwhelmed, because you're going to practice the 5 that I'm going to show you. So thank you for your time and enjoy the demonstration. Bye for now.